If you feel like your computer under some kind of virus spell, then you want to ensure that you scan your computer for viruses and threats. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to do so in Windows 11. So stick around and follow me. So all you have to do, right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and click on settings. Right now from here, once you have settings open up, guys, on the left hand side, you want to choose privacy and security. Now at the top here, you have Windows security. So go ahead and click on that. Now, this will open up a few options for you. And as you can see, one of the options here that says virus and threat protection. So you want to ensure that you click on that. Now, this will open up a separate window. And here you'll be able to scan your computer. And as you can see, at the moment, it says no current threat. And it is showing me the last time when this computer scanned. And this was 2 days ago. So if you feel like your computer is under some virus spell, you can use this to see if there is any threat. Most likely, if it finds any threat or virus, it will give you a notification. But in case that is not the case and you somehow missed it, you can do a quick scan on your computer yourself. So just simply go ahead and click the quick scan button. It will take a couple seconds or let's say a few minutes depending on how fast your computer is, how many files there are. It will take a little time to scan your computer, all those files on your computer to see if there is any infected files. So, and guys, all you have to do is just simply be patient, wait a minute or two, depending on the speed of your computer. It can take 5 minutes, it can take 10 minutes, which I pray that it doesn't take so long for you. But all you have to do, just simply wait for the computer to scan, and you will see if there's any virus or threat found on your PC. Now from there, you can take the necessary actions to delete the files, to repair your computer. You can even use SFC Space Scan now to do a scan on your computer as well. That can help your computer very dearly. Guys, I really hope you found this valuable. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.